cold. Oh my God!
I need gloves.
Oh, poor guy.
Now you figured it out.
Who?
Charles.
We all need gloves.
They're cold.
Nobody brought gloves?
No.
Y'all are genius.
I don't have gloves.
I don't have any gloves either.
How am I supposed to bring
Here
gloves?
comes Charles.
Go, Charles!
He's like fishing it.
You got stuck in a hole. Army crawling!
Yeah, for a little.
Whee! All the way down.
He's so slow about it. Josie, penguin it! Do a penguin! Do a penguin!
Her jacket's awesome.
Whose jacket's awesome?
Josie's, it just slides. What?
I need help.
Get up.
No, please, Charles.
Going down!
We gotta hurry up and find a tree, you guys. It's cold out here.
No, it's not. Jeffrey, do you have any other gloves?
Nope, that was my only ones that I brought. They're done with that.
This hurts!
Bring that back up. Come on down.
Oh,
I'm going down with feet on this thing.
that's not gonna work. You're gonna tumble.
I don't care. It's worth it.
No, it's not!
No, I don't want you to break your legs.
I'm not gonna break my
Yeah, you are.
feet.
Lucas, it's not worth it. Don't do it, you stupid.
Now let's go.
Oh my God, it's surfing! It's surfing!
I'm coming down.
Whoa!
Stop! Stop! Oh no, one more time. One more time. This time. Run it up.
When you go down on your feet, you're supposed to say cowabunga. Tell me when to let go.
Now. You cheater.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh, that was hilarious.
Ow.
Okay.
Woo!
Say cowabunga.
Guys!
I cut my lip.
Where?
Where?
Pick
it up.
Oh! You didn't cut your lip.
Yeah, I did. See?
Put the gloves on your feet. Or your hand, I mean. Not your feet.
I'm sure I can do it. Follow my foot. Let me try real quick. Okay, one more time and then I get to try next.
I gotta try it for Zoe. I need to try this one more time.
Let your sister go. Get down there more. Okay, so you can actually play.
Go!
So cowabunga when you're ready.
Cowabunga!
Let go of your on the that part.
Cowabunga!
Bring me the sled. A cowabunga. No, I want to go next. I'm after this.
Are you making a video?
Yeah.
Oh my God! I can't get up. Okay, guys, I need you to move. I want to say cowabunga.
It's cold.
Yeah, I'm cold too.
Okay. Cowabunga! didn't work out. There you go, Jojo. Oh, Mom, do not try this. It hurts.
I won't.
Alright, I want to try my feet.
Okay. Help me. I really don't trust Lucas. So.
I want to hold it.
Hey, Mom, who's that guy off of Jackass? Come on. The crazy one?
Steve-O?
Huh?
Steve-O?
Yeah, Josie, say I'm Steve-O. Jackass. Okay. Josie. Okay, I'm gonna sit. Okay? Make sure you gotta step down more. I got you.
This is Steve-O.
Okay.
And this is
Say
Jackass.
it really loudly. Say it. This is Steve-O and this is Jackass.
This is Steve-O. This is Jackass.
What?